I have students who love Mad Libs. I call them silly stories. So I've got some Mad Libs. I can go ahead and make it a little bigger. And one of the things that's nice, because the whole point of Mad Libs is for them not to know ahead of time what's going on. So I will use this box, and before the lesson, I go in, I just erase all of the text. So all they're seeing is they need a noun, they need an adjective, they need a plural noun. And then at the end, after we've put everything in, I then erase it and the text is back and then we can read it. So that's a great way for them to really be able to practice grammar with nouns, adjectives, plural nouns, all those, because I could just erase the text, which is excellent. My fourth grade native speakers love this activity. They find it so fun. So it's a wonderful way for them to really get to learn, nouns, plural nouns, adjectives, adverbs. So I'll start off with saying things like, I need a noun. Remember, that's a person, place, thing, or animal. And then eventually it'll get to the point where I'll just say, I need a noun, and they know exactly what a noun is. And it's a wonderful way to teach grammar.